All right, let's talk financial modeling in the era of AI. And as we do, you're going to watch an AI skill embedded in Claude for Excel complete the first case study in the A.CRE Accelerator. Now, let me tell a story while you watch. In Mrs. Jackson's fourth grade class, and I'm guessing each one of you had your own Mrs. Jackson, I learned to do long division by hand. 3 digits, 4 digits, the whole bit, pencil and paper, that little ladder of subtraction and bring downs that quite frankly took forever and felt, even as a 9-year-old, like the most inefficient possible way to divide one number by another. And here's what I remember thinking, and I bet you thought the same thing. Why are we doing this when there's a calculator right there? And the answer, of course, is that I needed to understand the mechanics, inputs, the logic, the output, how those outputs were created, because Mrs. Jackson wasn't about to give me a calculator until she was confident that I knew how to do that thing by hand. And that process, quite frankly, was critical. I needed to understand the fundamentals before the world gave me a calculator. Now, I think the same is true of AI in financial modeling. Before you can use AI to underwrite a deal or to forecast development cash flows or to run a partnership waterfall, you sure better understand the fundamentals, why the inputs become the outputs. And that's what you learn in the A.CRE Accelerator core, as well as our advanced endorsements. We teach you to take the inputs and run them through some series of calculations to produce the outputs and to understand why those outputs are what they are. And while the medium through which that process happens changes over time, it used to be in our heads and then on paper and then in Excel and in Argus and whatever else, and increasingly now in AI, the actual logic, it doesn't really change. The fundamentals remain constant. So I want to share with you how AI is beginning to show up in the accelerator. We're sitting here middle of 2026, and in the coming months and years, you'll see Michael and myself and the rest of the A.CRE team roll out more and more AI assistants so that you can become proficient using AI as your calculator for building real estate financial models from scratch. So here's how it'll work. Each course will have a standard arc. You'll start by learning the fundamentals through lessons, just as you have. You'll complete the case study by hand using traditional tools like Excel. This is your long division by hand. You'll then, as usual, watch myself or Michael complete that same case study. We call that our watch me build, so that you can get a sense for how we would build it relative to you. Now, this is where AI enters. We'll then give you an AI skill. This is sometimes referred to as a Claude skill. An AI skill is a mechanism by which we teach AI a specific procedure. And in this case, that procedure is how to complete a particular modeling task. And so you take the AI skill, you load it into Claude or ChatGPT or whichever tool makes the most sense, and you talk with it. And each of these skills come with 3 things. The first is the skill can complete the case study. Just as you watched the skill complete this case study in about 2 minutes. Okay, completed the rent roll, filled out the income and expenses to produce the NOI, assigned a cap rate, and then drafted some notes so that we understood how each line item was modeled. That's the Watch Me Build by AI component. But this skill also comes with a tutor. So if you don't fully understand the mechanics, the skill, this AI skill, can teach you. Just ask it questions. It can also review your work, and I think this is the most powerful element. You're going to be doing this by hand, the long division by hand. And you'll watch Michael and I do it. And you can always ask in the Accelerator forum questions that come up. But you can also have the AI review your model. And so you build the model by hand, you ask the AI about certain aspects of it, and it can tell you whether you're right or wrong, and it can coach you through things that require a fix. The goal is that you come to think of AI as your companion in real estate financial modeling. You learn the fundamentals, you watch us do it by hand, you do it by hand yourself, then you work alongside an AI that knows the procedure, sometimes as your tutor, sometimes as your reviewer, sometimes as your builder. And over time, you'll come to see that AI in its proper role as an assistant to multiply your output and elevate you to do work that really matters. The same way that the calculator became my assistant in freeing me from the mundane to tackle the more challenging. But that day was only possible once I'd mastered the fundamentals. Fundamentals first, then the calculator, and that order matters. And so, welcome to financial modeling in the era of AI.